A land surveyor is essential in defining a piece of land's boundaries and features. Urban development is happening quickly in Manesar, a city that is rapidly expanding, making the need for a qualified land surveyor more critical than ever. A land surveyor in Manesar has the knowledge and skills necessary to precisely measure and map the land so that it can be developed and used as intended. A land surveyor in Manesar can provide precise information about the topography, soil composition, and existing structures on the site thanks to their cutting-edge technologies and methods. For architects, engineers, and developers to design and build structures that adhere to regional codes and specifications, they need this knowledge. Using Scon Design is one of the most important parts of land surveying in Manesar. A sophisticated piece of software called Scon Design enables land surveyors to produce accurate maps and models of the terrain. A land surveyor can create precise digital representations of the land by entering the measurements and coordinates they acquired in the field into the Scon Design software. With the aid of this technology, land surveyors in Manesar can create extremely accurate maps and models that can be used by numerous experts in urban planning and development. In Manesar, a land surveyor's responsibilities extend beyond simply measuring and mapping the land. They are essential in ensuring that local rules and regulations are followed by the development projects. In order to establish the property's limits and constraints, a land surveyor in Manesar must perform study on it. Additionally, they collaborate closely with public servants and other interested parties to secure the necessary licenses and approvals for construction projects. A land surveyor in Manesar works with architects, engineers, and developers to guarantee that the projects are completed effectively and in accordance with local standards. In identifying the boundaries and features of a parcel of property, a land surveyor is essential. There is a greater demand than ever for a qualified land surveyor in Manesar, a city that is quickly developing urbanly. In order to ensure that the land is correctly developed and utilized, a land surveyor in Manesar has the knowledge and experience necessary to precisely measure and map the area. A land surveyor in Manesar can offer precise information about the terrain, soil type, and existing structures on the property thanks to their cutting-edge technologies and methods. In order to design and build buildings that adhere to regional codes and specifications, architects, engineers, and developers need this information. Utilizing Scon Design is one of the essential components of land surveying in Manesar. Land surveyors can make accurate maps and models of the land using the sophisticated software Scon Design. A land surveyor can create precise digital representations of the land by entering the information gathered from the field, such as measurements and coordinates, into the Scon Design software. Land surveyors in Manesar can utilize this technology to create extremely accurate maps and models that can be used by numerous specialists in urban planning and development. In Manesar, a land surveyor's job entails more than